Imagine yourself as the most famous soccer player in the world. Today, we're going to see what Lionel Messi's life is really like in 2024. We'll talk about everything from his income to his amazing home, cars, and even his family. Hey, great to see you again. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell if you're new here. That way you won't miss any of our great news. In this video, we'll get a close look at how Lionel Messi lives in the year 2024. We'll talk about how much he makes, the beautiful places he lives, the cool cars he drives, his total net worth, and a lot more. Okay, let's begin. Segment 1, Income. Let's start by talking about how much Lionel Messi earns. He makes a lot of money and is also a great sports player. How does he get all that money? Messi's main source of income is his huge soccer salary, which makes him one of the best paid players in the world. Big companies pay him to promote their goods, which adds a lot to the money he makes from commercials and ads. Messi invests in many different types of businesses, from tech to real estate, which makes his money even better. Companies pay him to promote their products, and he gets paid for events and the huge number of people who follow him online. Messi has his own line of goods, which includes everything from clothes to sports gear. When people buy his stuff, he makes extra money. Segment 2, House. Next, let's take a peek inside Lionel Messi's impressive home. Nestled in a luxurious neighborhood, his modern house is designed with sleek lines and large windows that brighten every room. The interior features a high-tech kitchen, luxurious bedrooms, and a custom playroom for his kids. Outside, there's a spacious swimming pool and private landscape gardens for relaxation. Messi also has a personal gym and soccer field to keep up his training, plus a home cinema and game room for entertainment. High-tech security ensures his family's safety and privacy. Overall, Messi's home combines luxury, comfort, and practicality, perfectly tailored to his life as a top athlete and family man. Now, let's see the cars he enjoys driving. Segment 3, Cars. Now let's take a look at Lionel Messi's impressive car collection. He has a taste for fast and stylish vehicles, filling his garage with top-tier sports cars and robust SUVs. These aren't just any cars. They combine speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, reflecting Messi's preference for high quality and performance. His sports cars from renowned brands are equipped for speed and comfort, showcasing sleek designs and luxurious interiors. His SUVs are perfect for family outings, offering comfort, style, and the latest safety features to ensure secure travel. Segment 4, Net Worth. Lionel Messi's net worth continues to soar, thanks to his successful soccer career and smart financial move. His hefty earnings come from his soccer salary and significant bonuses. Beyond the field, he boosts his income with major endorsement deals and invests wisely in technology, real estate, and his own brands. Additionally, his social media influence and merchandise sales add to his growing wealth. These diverse income streams reflect Messi's excellence and savvy, ensuring his financial status grows alongside his athletic achievement. Segment 5, Family Mansion. Lionel Messi's family mansion is more than a house. It's a lively home designed for comfort and family time. It boasts spacious rooms for privacy, cozy areas for family movies, and large dining spaces for gathering. The kids enjoy dedicated play areas and a large backyard with a pool and soccer field, ensuring fun and active playtime. For relaxation, there's a private spa and gym, and the home is secured with advanced safety systems. This mansion is a true family haven, built to foster love, laughter, and memorable moments. Segment 6, Lifestyle Choices. Let's explore how Lionel Messi manages his day-to-day life to stay on top. Diet. Messi eats a nutritious diet rich in proteins, whole grains, and vegetables, emphasizing hydration and avoiding processed foods. Exercise. His routine extends beyond soccer, incorporating strength training, agility exercises, and yoga to prevent injuries and maintain agility. Downtime. Messi unwinds by spending quality time with family and friends, enjoying quiet evenings at home, which are essential for his mental well-being. Hobbies. He also pursues hobbies like video games and walks, providing a mental break from his rigorous schedule. Sleep. Ensuring adequate sleep each night is crucial for his recovery and performance. Segment 7, Philanthropy. Lionel Messi makes a significant impact off the soccer field through his extensive charity work. He founded an organization that supports at-risk children with access to education, healthcare, and sports. As a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, he champions children's rights and aids communities globally. Additionally, Messi contributes to disaster relief efforts and health initiatives, improving facilities and combating childhood diseases. He also funds community sports programs, providing safe environments for children to play and learn. Segment 8, Investments. Lionel Messi doesn't just excel on the soccer field. He also makes savvy investment decisions in various sectors. Real estate. Messi owns properties around the world, including luxury apartments and vacation homes. These properties appreciate over time and also bring in rental income. Tech startups. He invests in technology startups, supporting innovative companies that develop new software and tech solutions. This shows his commitment to progress and innovation. Fashion and lifestyle brands. Messi has his own clothing line and collaborates with major sportswear brands, merging his interest in fashion with his influence as a global sports icon. Health and wellness. He puts money into health and wellness companies ranging from sports nutrition to fitness centers, aligning with his professional life and personal interests in fitness. Hospitality. Investing in the hospitality industry. Messi owns stakes in hotels and restaurants in key tourist spots, leveraging his fame to attract visitors. Segment 9, Public Appearances. Lionel Messi is no stranger to the spotlight, whether he's walking the red carpet or participating in charity events. He impresses with his style and confidence at events, engaging with fans and sharing moments with his family. Messi's public appearances reflect his genuine personality and values, showcasing his commitment to making a positive impact both on and off the field. Segment 10, Future Plans. As we consider Lionel Messi's future, excitement surrounds what lies ahead, both on and off the field. In soccer, Messi's journey continues to captivate fans globally. Will he keep dazzling with his skills and leading his team to victory? Off the field, beyond soccer, Messi's possibilities are endless. Will he explore new business ventures or deepen his philanthropic efforts? Life changes. Change is inevitable for Messi. Whether it's personal milestones or new endeavors, his journey promises surprises and growth. As fans eagerly anticipate Messi's next moves, his legacy as a soccer legend and humanitarian will surely endure. Stay tuned for what's to come. Conclusion. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the lifestyle of Lionel Messi in 2024. It's clear that his life is as dynamic off the field as it is on it. Whether you're a soccer fan or just fascinated by the lives of high achievers, Messi's story is certainly inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like. Catch you in the next video.